friends, in this video I am going to show you how to solve 9th lesson practice set 1.1 of first lesson sets. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Now first I will tell you or introduce you what is a set. So 6 points we are going to discuss about sets. First is the well-defined collection of objects is known as a set. In our day-to-day life, we talk about a collection of or group of objects such as a herd of frogs, a pack of cards. So these all are a set. These all are a collections. So well-defined collections of objects is called a set. Second is capital letters like A, B, C, etc. are used to denote a set. If we have to give name for a set, so the capital letters are used A, B, C and whatever if we want that we can give a name to a set. Third point is the individual object of the set is known as the member or element of the set. So means whatever is in the set, whatever are the elements, they are known as elements or members of the set. So fourth point is the elements of a set are denoted by lowercase letters like this A, B, C, etc. So whatever inside the elements or members are there, they are denoted with lowercase letters like A, B, C, etc. So fifth point is if A is an element of set A, then it is written as A and we give this sign to tell that A is an element of set A. So this A is an element or member of this set A. So we can write it like this, and while saying we say A is an element of set A or A is a member of set A. If it is not like that, if A is not an element of set A, then we write like this. A is not element of A or it is not member of set A. Let's see an example of set. If I have to make a set of vowels, so first I will give name for that set. Suppose set A is equals to vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So suppose this A, this is a capital letter. I have denoted this set with a capital letter, and inside whatever the elements or members are there, I have written them in a lowercase letters. Now suppose I have to write A is a member of set A. So here A is an element of set A. If now here in vowels F is not coming. So this F is not an element of this set A. So here F is not an element of set A or it is not a member of set A. So now we will see what are the methods of writing sets. So there are two methods of writing a set. First is listing method or roster method. Now here we are going to discuss 3 points about listing method or roster method. First one is in this method all the elements of a set are enclosed with curly brackets. So whatever elements are there, they will be inside, and at outside we have to draw curly brackets and then we have to enclose them. Second one is elements are separated by commas. Whatever elements are there inside the brackets, they are separated with commas. Third point is in order of the elements in a set is immaterially. An element, even if repeated, is listed only once. Example, the set of digits are given of a number 2, 3, 7, 2, 1, 3. So if by listing method we have to make a set of this, so we will just write one letter once only, like curly brackets are there, inside the curly brackets 2, 3, 7 and 1 is there. 3 is repeating, but then 2, 3 is coming one only time in brackets. And the sequence is also not important. If we are not writing the sequence, then also it is okay. The second bracket, if you will observe, or 1, 2, 3, 7. So the letters are not sequentially arranged. So the sequence is also not important, and the letter also not should come again in the bracket. Now we have discussed all the 3 points of listing method or roster method. Now we'll try to make a set of listing method. So first I have to make a set of remember word. set A and I'll open the curly brackets. Inside I'll write R, then E, M. Now E is coming again in this word, so I'll not repeat here E. E will come only once. Here M is also repeating, but we are not going to write here M again. B we will write E is again repeating, so we will not write E, and R is also repeating. So here this is a listing method. By listing method we have written this word remember. So this is a type how we are writing listing method or roster method. Now second method is rule method or set builder form. In this method the elements are not listed like listing method. The elements of the set are described by specifying the property which determines the element of the set uniquely. Suppose in this rule method whatever the set's property we are having, that we are writing in rule method or set builder method. First example I have give you that vowels A, E, I, O. So in listing rule method they will come that X such that X is an alphabet, is an vowels of English alphabet. So whatever is there that we write property of that in rule method. They have given an example. The set of odd numbers from 1 to 10 is written as follows. In listing method we write set A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and in rule method we are writing A is equals to X such that X. Now only X is coming, not like that. We can write there Y or any letter, and the vertical lines which divide 2X, that stands for such that. So we are going to tell like that X such that X is an odd number less than 10. So till 9 only odd numbers are written. So they are 1 to 10. They are between, the odd numbers are between 1 to 10. So the property is the odd numbers are less than 10 and they are odd numbers. So in rule method we are writing like this. Now rule method or set builder method, how we are going to write it? In listing method we wrote like this. Remember, R-E-M-B, the word remember. So here in rule method form, how we are going to write this or how we are going to convert this. So here A is equals to X such that X is a letter of word. The word is remember. And close the curly bracket. So here words, the letters are so much. So but here R will not come. R letters of word. Here always singular is coming. So X such that X is a letter of word remember. Like this we are writing rule method or set builder form. In textbook also page number 3 they have just distinguished rule method or set and listing method. Here the second one, B, set B is equals to Y such that Y is number such that Y square is equals to 9. So here set B is equals to Y such that Y is a number such that Y square is equals to 9. So here Y square means any number square is equals to 9. So 3 square minus 3 into minus 3 is also equals to 9, and 3 into 3 is also equals to 9, means minus 3 square and 3 square both square is equals to 9. So here in listing method how we will convert it? B is equals to here minus 3 and 3. So this we are writing like this in rule method and like this in listing method. Now in practice set 1.1 the first question is write the following sets in roster method. First question is set of even natural number. Roster method means only listing method. So we have to write set of even natural numbers. So So first of all, what are even numbers? Even numbers are numbers which are divisible by 2. We can divide that numbers by 2, so they are even numbers. So we have to write set of even numbers. So set A is equals to, till how much we have to write even natural numbers, that they have not told. So here we'll write 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Second question is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. So even numbers and prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers which they are coming in one's table and itself. The numbers which are coming in one's table and its table only. Suppose like 5, 7, they are prime numbers. They are coming in that table only and in one's table only. So even prime numbers from 1 to 50 is only 2. So here set B is equals to 2. Only 2 is an even prime number which is coming from 1 to 50. Third is even a set of negative integers. So set of negative integers, set I is equals to, negative integers are starting from here and they have not told till how much we have to write. So here first so on and then comma, -3, -2 and -1. The negative integers are ending here and bracket close. So this is set of negative integers.
आता इथं नाही म्हटली.
Fourth sum is 7 basic sounds of sargam. They are Sur. So here set S is equals to sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Sa is repeating, but we are not going to write sa again because in listing method or roster method, the letter that we are not going to repeat it again. The second question is write the following symbolic segments in word. First question is 4/3 is what? This element of set Q. So we have to write the segments in word. So 4/3 is an element of set Q. Second is -2 is not an element of, this is not set n because -2 is not a part of natural numbers. So -2 is not an element of natural numbers. Not an element of natural numbers. This n tells us natural number. Short form of full form of n is natural numbers. Here p is equals to p such that p is an odd number. So here we can write p is set of all odd numbers. So this is over. Third question is write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. So we can write any two. So first in listing method I can write here set A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 40. So in rule method we will write set A is equals to x such that x is an odd number, odd even natural numbers, even natural number less than 15. So these numbers are less than 15. So by rule method we will write it like this. Second, we can write set P is equals to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So here set P is equals to, we'll write x such that x is an integer and all the properties we have to write here they are less or more between less than -3 and till 3. So here we'll write x. X is greater than -3 and less than 3, because greater than -3 is -2. So here till -2 and less than 3. So less than 3 is 2. So this is listing method and rule method. Now fourth question is write the following sets using listing method. First is all months in Indian solar year. So set A is equals to, all the months are written here: Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh and Falgun. So second question is letters in a word complement. So here complement by listing method we can give here set B is equals to, here letter complement, so C, then O, M, P, L, E. Now M is repeating, so M we cannot write. E is also repeating, N and T. Now this were in capital letters, so inside all the members are coming in capital letters. The third sum is set of human sensory organs. So here suppose set C is equals to human sensory organs like nose, ears, tongue, skin and eyes. Then set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Then set P is equals to prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Then names of the continents of the world. So here suppose set D is equals to, continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Europe, Antarctica, so this is the last question of 4. Fifth sum is write the following sets using rule method, and first question is set A is equals to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 80, 100. So these all are square numbers, square of 1, 2, 3 and so on till 10. So by rule method we can write it like this: set A is equals to, now all the properties we have to write. First we'll write x such that x is, first this is equals to n square. N, when we are writing a small n, that means the numbers, we are denoting numbers. N means all these numbers, so n square means square numbers, these are square numbers. And n is an element of natural numbers. When we are writing capital N, that means we are denoting that this all numbers are elements of natural numbers. And one more thing we have to write, that n is smaller and equal to 10, means this all numbers are less than 10 and is equal to till 10 only, less than 10 until 10 only. So we can give this sign like this. Second sum is B is equals to, in bracket, 6, 12, 18. So this is 6 table. So here set B is equals to, so this all are, first we will write y is, such that y is equals to 6n, means 6 table numbers. And then here these numbers are again elements of natural number, and this n, first we will write n is small than 9, because these numbers are, they have written till 8 only. 6 8s are 48. They are not told 6 9s are 54. 8 only they have given, so less than 9 means till 8, so here till less than 9. Third is set C is equals to, letters are given, so here we can write set C is equals to, in bracket, whatever word we can write. First we can say Z, such that Z is a letter in the word, is a letter in the word, and we can take any words like miles, we can repeat the letters also. Miles in capital handwriting we have to write. Slimes, we can write any letters like this, words like this. Now fourth sum is D. Set D is equals to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are days in a week. So set D is equals to X, such that X is a day in a week. Second is X, set X is equals to letter A, E and T. So here set X is equals to Y, such that Y is a letter in a word. Word we can write anything like T,